Hi everybody, I am Tugba. I am working in Lesaffre, Middle East Africa region since 4 years now. I am working as a process executive in the region. I think digital manufacturing is the future of Lesaffre. It is where we need to be. As we all know, Lesaffre exists since 1853 and we have a lot of knowledge and experience in the yeast industry. And digital manufacturing is a tool to use the data that we have on the sites, on the field, put our experience on the top of it and improve the yeast production and yeast industry more and more. I am currently daily investigating the process parameters in the field, in fermentation, in drying, and in the wastewater departments and so on. I am analyzing those data and try to improve the production. My biggest challenge at Lesaffre is the coordination and communication between the entities, regions. As we all know, Lesaffre is very big, large company worldwide, and there are a lot of entities inside this company. And communication with people, different cultures, trying to find a common field with them is the biggest challenge for me. But I am better than 4 years ago, so it's going well. I choose Lesaffre because it's an international company. There's a lot of knowledge on the yeast background and experience also. So I saw this as a chance to improve myself on the interest that I have. Even we are very diverse inside Lesaffre, we can find a common field, work together to improve our yeast industry. And even I said the challenging part is the communication and the coordination. When we find a way, we are putting a lot of brains into the table and improve our process. I like to say beer, I like it very much, but I like a lot of croissants. I mean, every time the baking center bakes for us, I'm not missing any croissants. So.